In this video, we are going to talk about probably one of the most underrated platform for digital marketing, and that is Pinterest. So if you want to learn how you can promote your business online on Pinterest, then this video is for you. Now, we have already covered how you can use Facebook, Instagram, or various other social media platforms to do digital marketing for your business. But today we are going to cover a platform which is very underrated and not many people are using it to promote their business on this platform, and that is Pinterest. Now, to clarify one thing in the very beginning, that Pinterest is not a social media platform like many people think of it. It is actually a search engine. And to be very precise, it's a visual search engine where people can type in the keyword and the results are in form of vertical content. So here are a few steps and points that you can do to promote your business online on Pinterest. So the step number one is creating your profile and especially the business account. So here again on Pinterest as well, you have a personal account as well as a business account. So make sure you search on Google Pinterest business account and then go to the URL for Pinterest to registering your own new business Pinterest account. And then the most important step you need to take is to verify your website with your Pinterest business account, so that Pinterest will able to know that the content that you are posting is redirecting users on a verified website. Now, as mentioned before, that search engine do not like people going off their platform, but as Pinterest is not a social media platform, it is a search engine. There is no problem that people are going off the Pinterest platform. It is meant to send people to the right platform. So people go ahead and type in keyword in the search bar and they see various vertical content, and whichever content grabs the most attention, people tend to click on that and go to the particular website or the landing page. Now, in order to do this for yourself, you need to understand how to create some attractive pins. And the best way to do that is to follow other influencers. Now, you can go ahead and follow various other accounts in your category, or maybe not in your category, maybe someone else. And then you get an idea about how you can create some attractive pins. And then use these ideas to create one for yourself, and then use them in your Pinterest account, and then start populating your account with these vertical pins. And then comes the next step, that is creating boards. Now, while creating these pins, you can arrange them in various groups, categories, which is actually known as boards in Pinterest. So you can give a keyword name to this board and then add pins in these particular boards. This is something like category in your blog posts, where you have a category and then you add various posts in that. And in the same way, you can post pins in various boards of Pinterest. And of course, you can use tools like Canva to create these vertical pins. And as mentioned in our previous video where we covered about digital marketing tools, Canva is the graphic designing tool that you will be using the most while creating any kind of graphics for your digital marketing. And Pinterest is all about creating attractive pin graphics. So make sure you get inspiration from Canva templates as well, and then try to create as attractive pins as possible. And then comes the next point, the rule of Pinterest. That is the main rule of growing on Pinterest, that is 80-20 rule, which means that Pinterest is all about resharing other people's content on your account. And 20% you can post your own content. The more you share other people's content, the more you will have exposure in the community. So make sure you follow this 80-20 rule, and this will definitely help grow your Pinterest account, and eventually people will click on your pins to go to your website or the landing page. So if you have any questions regarding Pinterest marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to ask us in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.